Hi guys, welcome to Bamba Mentality Podcast. We are in the park today.
Yes.
You're gonna love this episode. We love the weather over here.
Great weather to shoot an episode in the park. I
Yeah.
still don't know if this is legal or not, to be honest.
I don't
I
know.
have no idea. Like,
We started doing it, nobody stopped us.
going to the park is legal. I guess recording reels in the park, people do record reels in park and
Dude,
beach.
people record everywhere on the street,
Yeah.
road.
Yeah.
They don't care.
Nobody, man. Nobody
Yeah.
cares.
This
Fuck.
but this is the worst time to come out of the house, dude. I got stuck unnecessarily.
Huh.
Because first of all, from where I was standing on the road, I thought two water tankers are blocking everything.
Huh.
But when I went close, there were two school buses also. There were two water tankers, two school buses. The schools ruins everything.
This reminds me of something I heard recently. It's like that thing, no. I mean, I don't know why I'm saying this. From the far, it felt like two water tankers are stopping it. But when you went in, two school buses were there also.
Yes.
Right? It's like that. Have you heard this? Like, दूर से देखा तो
Yeah.
अंडे उबल रहे थे, पास गया तो गंजे कूद रहे थे.
उछल रहे थे.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've heard that. Yes. Here, but here it's a little different. There were two
Yeah.
andes and two ganjes.
Yeah.
Like four of them are there.
Unnecessarily they belted bald people for no reason in that.
Yes.
Like, it just rhymes. Like,
Yeah.
you're just saying that
Yeah.
Anda looks like a bald guy. Or
Yes.
like bald guy looks like an anda. That's
Yeah,
what you're doing.
the
That's your
X shape.
joke.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's the
that's
joke.
the joke.
That's the joke. That is
know,
what happened.
And
over there.
that's the kind of joke that like small children would love.
Yeah.
That's what they would like really like. Whoa.
Plus the best thing is,
Yeah.
first of all, the anda is there,
Yeah.
ganja is there, both funny
Both
words.
funny words.
Then uchal rahe
Acha.
is there, ubal
Huh.
rahe hain, uchal rahe hain,
Huh.
both are there.
Huh.
Kids are just
Watching one kid started dancing, so I had to tell her, please don't do it. But yeah, that's what you.
they
do.
heard that we are talking about them.
Yes.
Yes.
Uh,
Dude, Bangalore has to solve this water problem, man. There are so many water tankers everywhere.
yeah. Yeah.
This is crazy, and so many school buses also.
This is 2 to 3 p.m. is always tricky, man.
Yeah, this is
School kids come out and
horrible,
yeah,
horrible.
that's
Schools ruin everything, dude. This is this is what the scene was. So you know when the road narrows down,
yes, I know.
Ijipura main road is wide.
Yeah, yeah.
Then it narrows down.
Correct.
Right? At that place, one bus is coming, the other bus is trying to overtake it.
Okay.
Unnecessary.
Huh.
And from there's a street which is joining the main road.
Huh.
Water tanker is coming. It is trying to take left. And one water tanker is coming from here. So there's like a gridlock happened.
Dude, you can't allow trucks in that road, dude.
Yeah,
you just
man,
figure it
this
out.
is-
Water people, if you need water, you just walk with a matka and fill it and come like that.
I saw a small water tanker today.
How small you talking about?
Like little bit bigger than Innova.
Huh?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, because of this I guess.
Oh.
They have created small water
yeah.
tankers.
Like, for example, in your lane, if you need water tanker can't come in, no? They would have a long pipe to fill up that,
Yes.
right? There is
Yes,
no way.
I've never seen a water tanker.
No,
there.
you can't come in
Yes,
only.
yes.
There's no way water
I've seen
tanker.
places there where this water tanker and they have pipe, whatever you
Long
said.
pipes,
Yeah, they take it.
Man, we
This
don't
is-
solve the problem. We find solutions.
Yeah, jugaad,
Like,
bro.
yeah, let's keep this problem aside. Let's see how we can
Work
figure
around.
this out. Yeah, that's what we
Yes.
do. It's like
It's
horrible.
always that.
Yeah.
This one funny thing I saw this weekend.
Huh.
Dude, I don't know. I'm still trying to predict what happened. Okay, don't know what happened, but
Yeah.
it was so funny. I'm near Sony Signal. This
Yeah,
is.
yeah.
I'm going on my bike and I crossed you know where police stands
Yes.
and they check the
Correct, yeah.
insurance, whatever
Yeah.
license.
Yeah.
Police is standing. There are two scooty people.
Huh.
They're being checked, and there's one more scooty standing, and there's a guy standing next to the scooty.
Yeah.
Bare chested. No shirt. No shirt on. I'm like, how far did they check? This is I still don't know.
Or did they stop him because he was riding bare chested?
That is the Oh, that is the best possibility. I didn't even think that.
You know that there is a rule that if you are riding your bike
Yeah.
with slippers on, that's apparently illegal.
Slippers is illegal.
Yeah.
Why?
Apparently it's not good. Like it
I
might
mean,
harm the
I've
way
heard
you are
that.
riding. Yeah.
Oh,
You
the
need to wear
timing,
shoes.
whatever.
I mean somebody told me, so I'm going by their word. I have
So
no
it
idea.
it would be only for the gear bikes, right?
Yes.
Not
the
for
ge-
scooty or anything.
No.
Scooties would be fine.
Scooty should be fine. I mean, women ride scooties with heels on, so I guess
It must
should
work,
be-
right?
Yeah, it should be fine. Yeah.
But so your prediction is he was driving bare chested.
I think he was driving bare chested. That's why they stopped him. Did they check him? Till
Actually,
the-
that is the best explanation. Right? I
Yeah.
was thinking like, dude, what they were checking,
Huh.
how far did they go, what was he having? Like, if you go that far, which means you have to find something already on him.
Correct.
Then
Correct.
you go in, right?
Yeah. But or did this guy is like, I have no money, check everything, and he removed his shirt.
Oh, that is also
I can
a
do that.
possibility.
Like if they want, like suppose they're like, give me 10,000 rupees fine, I'll just remove my shirt, so check
Yeah,
everything. I have nothing.
I'll remove pants
Yeah.
also.
What, did he have like tattoos on his chest or
No,
something?
regular plain skin, hair,
No tattoos.
hair,
Okay. hair.
Manchester.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
that guy was definitely not riding without the
Yeah,
shirt on.
it didn't feel like.
But why would he? Do you think he was under the influence? Was he wobbling around?
How would I know? He's just You know, when I saw him, he's standing like this.
Yeah.
Which means it started out something like this. Then he accepted
He
it.
was standing like how I was standing.
like this.
So this is in Sony Signal. They are checking two people.
Just one junction before Sony Signal.
Okay, one junction before Sony Signal. They are checking one scooty, two people on one scooty,
Hmm.
and then this guy is standing next to his scooty,
He
bare
is
chested.
already been checked.
He
I'm
had a
damn sure.
scooty or like a bike.
No, scooty is standing next to the scooty. So I'm assuming it is his scooty.
You don't. I mean, did you see shirts lying around anywhere?
Oh, yes, I didn't see shirt, bro. I didn't have enough time to look around because I
Yeah.
saw that guy. I was enough.
You don't see like in general bare-chested men on roads in general.
Yes, in
Other than
general.
like homeless people, but that though you don't see anyways.
Yeah.
Nobody sees them. I mean,
Not
that's
on any
how
vehicles.
the way we ignore them is like insane, man. The way we ignore them.
I have
Yeah.
seen truck drivers, but they still have banyan on, bro.
Yeah, so the truck, dude, if you're driving a truck, it gets very
Hot yeah,
inside.
I
and
get it.
and you know, apparently you're not allowed to have AC inside that compartment.
Is it?
Yeah, because you will fall asleep. So that is the rule. You're not allowed to have.
Wow,
AC
basically
on.
no comfort for you.
Yeah, you can't be comfortable inside.
They made
that.
a rule like that.
Yes, like in trains, right? Every 1 minute they have to press one button.
Just to
Yeah.
tell them I'm awake.
Every 1 minute they have to press a button, bro. You can't even go for a like pee break. You keep pressing the button.
Whatever you do, you have to do it in 1 minute. It's like
Again,
Ocean's
this-
11, bro.
Yeah.
Like you have 60 seconds.
Yes. Again, I have no idea. I just heard somewhere somebody told me.
But
and
it
I'm-
makes total sense.
Yeah. If just rectify me if I'm wrong. I'll just maybe.
Or ask people to make this rule, whatever.
I don't know. Yeah. Please comment, guys. Anything you want us to know? Want us to know? Just
Want us to know.
Yeah. Comment
You guys
it.
know a lot. we know.
And also like, share, subscribe, guys. I'm just plugging in the middle of a story, so more impact.
More
Yeah.
impact.
Yeah.
Wow, you're analyzing the algorithm, huh?
I am analyzing it, dude. 1,000 subscribers we have to reach at any cost. After 1,000, I'm not gonna talk like, share, subscribe at all.
yeah.
Maybe 1,100, so that people will unsubscribe also, right? So that cushion you need.
Yeah.
That's man. I remember once we were preparing for JE 1 year.
Hmm.
So then we were all going to tuition.
Hmm.
Before the class, we are all standing outside.
Hmm.
There was one naked guy running, bro, on the street, out of nowhere. Random guy, definitely crazy guy, fully naked. Dude. Our day was made. And
How
everybody-
different how different the version is. Like you saw,
Yeah.
and there is some lady who saw.
Yes.
She's like, my day was ruined. You're like, my day was made. That guy made my day.
Dude, also he was running.
Yeah.
So you can see all sorts of things flinging around. Right?
yeah,
It
jumping,
was
bouncing.
so funny to see that. Everybody saw it, and also if you see a naked guy,
Yeah.
right, can you control yourself to not look at his junk? Is it possible?
No way.
Is
There
it
is no
possible?
way.
There is
I am glad the
Even
guy I saw yesterday was wearing pants.
yeah.
But after the chest hair, I would have gone
Of
directly
course,
there.
of course. You see it. That's just natural.
Yeah.
Even if you claim be the fucking straightest man of all time, you will notice it.
Yeah, it's not about like you are trying to look. Your
Ah.
eyes just go there.
It's go there.
It's
It's
just-
like natural reflex.
It's just not just with us. I think it's with women also.
Of course, I think with everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah. You just like quickly. It's funny, man. That's what comedy is, right? You don't expect a naked guy on the road.
Yeah,
That
it's a
is-
surprise.
It's a surprise, a juxtaposition, right?
Yes.
Naked guy in the bathroom.
Yes.
Naked guy.
Yes. Like, if you see
Yeah.
a naked guy in the bathroom, you are in someone else's bathroom. Alright. But if you see a naked guy on street,
Yes.
it's hilarious.
It's hilarious. The naked guy is
That's
hilarious.
invasion of privacy.
Yeah. But that
So then what happened?
yeah, then what happened?
So he ran.
He ran. He just ran away, and we just saw him going from this side. We started from the face side naked, then we watched his back.
Harry.
Harry,
Ah.
crazy guy, 100%.
For sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
Like also you.
I mean, what kind of a normal person runs naked? Bro?
Yes.
They
yes.
don't run naked at home.
Yes. Nobody runs naked.
Yeah.
It's a natural law. You don't
I've
run
never
naked.
seen anybody run naked even if they're alone.
Yes.
Yeah, they
But
can't.
we are naked, bro. Like in general, whenever you're running, you are naked. But you're wearing clothes. But underneath that, you are naked.
Wow, that's so deep. Like you went inside the clothes. It's deeper.
Yeah.
One
but-
time, I remember like we bunked Hindi class and we were playing football,
Yeah.
and we thought Hindi teacher is not coming, and
Yeah.
he showed up, right, to the
He
ground.
showed up late.
Showed up late to the ground. He found out that we are playing football in the ground, and he came, and we all saw, and actually we all didn't. So one guy saw, and he
Yeah.
started shouting,
Yeah.
right, and everybody ran.
Yeah.
All of us ran from there,
Yeah.
and this guy tried chasing us.
What will he do? Just to beat you guys up?
Yeah, he just and he
Chase
fell down.
kids. Oh no.
He fell down.
Oh no.
Dude, that was
really?
so brutal.
Oh my god.
Once he fell down,
Yeah.
dude, we turned and we saw, but we didn't stop. We should have stopped, but we were kids. We didn't have that much like sense. We didn't
Oh.
stop. We just ran. We thought, yeah, everybody falls. We also fall, right?
Yeah.
But we get up.
Yes.
At our age, we get up.
Dude.
We
You
get
can
up
break a leg
and
and like
We
just
do this
shake it
and
off.
just go.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I thought he will do the same. Dude, he didn't chase. He didn't come. Like we just went to the class and was sitting like quietly. He didn't show up. I'm like, huh? What is happening? We're like, I think he went to principal. We still didn't think that he didn't get up.
He couldn't get up.
He couldn't get up.
You saying he didn't get up? There's a different meaning, bro.
Yeah,
He
no,
couldn't get
he
up.
Couldn't get up.
Oh shit! I thought he's just lying around. Let me just lay down in the sun.
No, he couldn't get up.
Oh
right?
my
And we are
god!
sitting there. I think he went to the principal's office. We are
Yeah.
scared. We are scared. We still are not thinking.
Injured over there. You
Yeah,
guys are
he's
still
lying.
thinking about yourself.
Yes.
Man, principal's office will get
Yeah.
punished.
Yeah,
And
we
then-
were selfish kids.
Yeah.
Right? The period got over. Our
Yeah.
next class, whoever the teacher was, he or she came.
Huh?
Then we forgot. Right? We're not even talking about it. Like, we were like, thank God he didn't show up with the principal, right? Because he saw all of us. We were like, I think,
Oh my god!
15, 18 guys,
Yeah.
kids.
But the whole class didn't go to play.
No. Some kids were playing something somewhere. Some kids were in class. Girls were mostly in class. They have
yeah.
no guts. Even if teacher is not there, they
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
want
yeah, yeah. They would have probably gone
I
to the
hated
principal and like
girls.
call.
I
Yeah.
hated girls so bad.
Yeah.
If that time gay thing was there, I would have been gay. Bro. It's just
It's not too late, bro.
that is true.
There's a lot of life ahead of you. Just think about it once.
Now the ship has sailed.
I don't think so, dude. Yeah.
So next day we go to school,
Yeah.
and this guy, second period is this guy,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
I'm like, today we will get thrashings because yesterday we didn't get thrashings,
Yeah.
right? He showed up with that. What is that called? One plaster.
Man, that's like the worst thing that can happen to someone. He was chasing kids in the playground. He fell down, broke his hand.
Yeah.
That is so
And it's
sad.
the worst part is, so a school is there, then there's a road. Okay, there's a road.
It's so funny, dude.
Yeah, I know. There's a road,
Yeah.
and you opposite you cross the road. There's the ground.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So staff room is on that side.
Correct.
So he came out like that.
Huh.
We ran from here.
Yeah.
He chased us.
Huh.
He chased us like this, and he came to the road and fell on the road. That's the worst part. If he fell in the ground, right, it would have been different. Road was brutal.
But you guys saw him fall.
Yeah. I'm confessing something at this point, I guess.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
All trauma is coming out.
But did he say anything to you guys next day?
Dude, he was very angry when he showed up,
Huh?
and he was like very passive aggressive also.
What?
What can he say, right? He's like,
What would he have told his wife, dude?
yeah, yeah.
How can he tell anyone? Like, you break your hand, you tell them, yeah, I fell down there, I got in an accident, or like, I missed, like, whatever. Sometimes people fall on the stairs. Right? What will he say? I was chasing kids in the
I'll tell you the whole story. I know what he said.
Yeah. Oh, you know what he
Yeah, not to his wife, to the other teachers.
Oh, no. What did he say?
So listen,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
he comes, he's very angry,
Yeah.
and he's just start class.
Yeah.
And nobody, like, he's not saying anything. He's very like straight face,
Yeah.
poker face, and he's just he's very passive aggressive.
Yeah.
I won't tell you anything. You तुम लोग तो सुनते ही नहीं हो. मैंने देखा था तुम लोग पलट के देखे,
Huh.
फिर भी नहीं रुके तुम लोग. कोई help करने भी नहीं आया. He said all those things.
Oh my god.
And we were like, dude, we didn't even think that you can't get up, bro.
Yeah.
As a kid, you
Yeah.
don't think that, right?
How old were you?
7th standard?
7th standard. Not your fault.
Yeah, 6th, 7th standard.
Not
I
your
guess.
fault at all.
So we are like we fall all the time. Bro.
Yes.
We
yes.
get up, we do this, and
Yeah,
we just
yeah,
go.
yeah.
So I was thinking, yeah, he'll also get up and do that and just go. I forgot. Actually, what forgot? I didn't know that he's 48, 50. How will he get up? He needs help to get up. Even if he's sitting, he needs help. He's just a huge guy.
You know what he should have done? He should have come and like start with a joke.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, guys, yeah, I thought I was a kid. I was running after you guys.
Yeah.
And then you were like, you guys, I saw you guys. You should
Yeah.
have done something like
It
that.
could have been better. Like we would have become friends.
Yeah.
Then it was so awkward. The whole year was awkward.
He should have been like, इससे क्या सीख मिलता है? Like, you should have given a lesson. Like,
कोई गिर जाए तो उनको मदद
Yeah.
करना चाहिए.
Now,
Yes.
you know what? Now, if anytime somebody falls, you'll go and help him.
Yes.
What if that guy is chasing to kill you?
Yeah.
Then your natural instinct now is to help, right?
Yes. I'll help him. He'll be like, thank you. Stab, stab, stab.
Yeah. But
Right?
yeah.
Then later, but when a few months go by, and
But he was trying to ostracize you guys from the class. Like,
Yeah.
These kids.
yeah, he looked at us directly.
And
And
you guys
we-
are looking down.
We were looking here and there, bro. I'm looking at this. So this is as a kid, you would have done this. Like if somebody is telling you, you would be like, you do that, right?
No.
You point at somebody
No,
else.
I have never done that.
You know?
No.
So
Don't, I am no rat, bro. I have never
we are
done
just pointing at each other. So it was not one rat. No,
Yeah.
we were 18 rats.
Yeah.
So
No, bro.
everybody's pointing at each other.
I always like to my grave, bro. I don't do that. Yeah, go on.
He's lying,
bro.
guys. We know him. All right.
Except to the police. I only rat to the police.
To each other.
Yeah, here the normal people I don't
So
rat.
2 months go by. Okay. And
So hold on. So that day you guys had no idea. You guys went about your day.
So that we went to the class
Huh?
and we were shit scared during that time.
Huh.
Next class, I think it was mathematics.
Yeah.
That teacher came. And we were like, okay, math शुरू हो गया, math पे
Yeah.
ध्यान देते हैं. We
Yeah.
forgot.
Yeah.
And we were scared till
Huh.
the end of the day.
Huh.
Like he can come with the principal anytime.
But you
That
guys
was the fear.
you guys he didn't show up for the class, so you guys went to play. What is the big deal in that?
No, he came late.
You guys were not in the class.
Yeah, we didn't wait. We were like, वो नहीं आ रहा है, चलो खेलने
So
के
he
लिए.
does. Hey, why did he run, bro?
Yeah. If he came there and shouted at us, and we ran,
Yeah.
we would go to the class. Where
yes.
will we go?
Yes.
What was he thinking that we are leaving the school?
Still fun.
Why is he chasing, bro?
Now I can see from the teacher's perspective, dude. I can see what he was. It is stupid. He would,
Yeah, just like shout at us. We'll run to the class, then
Yeah.
walk to the class.
But was he a guy who was like a cool teacher?
No. He was a fat dude, short dude. Huh?
You're saying he was fat
Yeah.
and he was running.
Yeah, he was short, he was fat, and he was
would
very
have rolled, bro. Like that, like.
So this is what happened. So
Uh-huh.
I think he fell down on the road, hands first,
Yeah.
and then he rolled on it.
Yeah. His
So ho gaya
whole
pura.
body.
Uh,
So how many days he had that on?
maybe 2 weeks. I don't remember exactly.
More than that. 2 weeks you can't heal this.
Yeah.
4 weeks.
Could be whatever. 2-3 weeks. I think 3 weeks, not 4 weeks. It was not that serious, I guess, because he showed up to the school next day.
Ah.
That is what I am thinking.
But what did he do after that? He told you, no, you guys saw me fall down, you didn't help me then?
He was just aggressive with us. Even if we score marks or even if we write anything, he'll not give marks. He'll just
Justify it.
He'll
Just
just
justify
create. He'll just he'll just ask questions randomly. He'll ask for one time he asked me to come on to the stage, whatever, wherever, near the board, and read a poem, bro. And here I don't even know Hindi. I can't even read a story. I'm reading a poem, and then he's like, "No, your rhythm is gone. Start again."
Bro, come on, dude. He broke his hand. That much you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
do.
So he
That
was doing
much.
that kind.
If I was the teacher, dude, I would have taken revenge. I would like throw
Mm.
banana peel all around the class, dude. I would do it.
But
I want
that is
the
the thing. No, we will
teacher's side
fall
now.
and then we will laugh. We'll get up and we'll walk.
Dude, I would have done it. I would have just.
He should have to sit on us, bro. Then only we will be in pain.
But school kids, dude, we are the funniest, man.
Then 2 months later,
Yeah.
okay. So this is our biology teacher.
Yeah.
Science teacher who teaches biology
To 11th, 12th standard.
But she once in a while she comes as a substitute
Yeah.
teacher.
Yeah.
So whenever she comes as substitute teacher, right? She doesn't teach. She just chit chats.
Yeah. I mean, you
masti.
love that.
Yeah. So she has become friends with us, right? And so she comes and like, I heard something happened to your sir.
Huh.
Huh? She started it like, do you guys know?
Huh.
Right?
Huh.
And we're like, oh, we don't know, madam. Oh, the hand thing, no, we don't know what happened.
Yeah.
Like, oh, he met with an accident, you know. He was coming to school for you guys. Like she's saying like that. I'm like, what is
You guys
this?
thinking, he met with an accident again?
Yes. I'm like, "Arey, yeah."
Yesterday he fell down. Again one more accident. Oh my god.
It's not our fault. His luck is bad.
Oh my god. But he would have told his wife the truth.
Yeah, that we don't know. But in the school,
You know
everybody
what?
thought.
I feel bad for his kids that day because you would have belted them because you guys would remind his kids would remind of you guys.
Yeah, thank God his son was not in our class.
Yeah, which class was he in?
He was 9th standard.
Acha, okay, so he would have taken the hit, bro. For
ninth
sure.
Imagine his kid also showed up like this next day.
Yeah,
Hilarious.
my dad fell on me. That's what.
Yeah.
Man, but
Hilarious.
dude, we kids in general, like we, the way we were trouble to our teachers, it's crazy.
Dude, yeah, so much.
But so this was how many of you were playing in the ground? 20 people?
Yeah, 18-20 people.
If you're like only 2 people, no, I would have been like big trouble.
Yeah, big trouble. bro.
Only 20 people, right?
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
so you 20 guys, did you guys feel bad?
Dude, we felt bad for ourselves only, bro. We didn't even think about him. Later, when he started
Oh.
accusing us, right,
Yeah.
passive aggressively in the class,
Yeah.
we still are like, oh, we did a wrong thing,
Hmm.
right? But we still didn't feel bad for him. We were like, why didn't he get up? we are still not like
Oh
we
my
should.
God.
So I'm saying I don't know about everybody, but throughout the year, that thought still didn't come to my head that I should have gone and helped.
Yeah, man. Who? I mean, you.
And alone you can't do also.
You can't help your teacher like that. I wouldn't have thought about it.
Plus alone you can't do. He was huge, bro.
Yeah,
I can't
yeah.
pick him up.
No
We
chance.
need 3 people for sure.
And then what if the thing is, you only help if you have shouted, "Help me" or something, right? But if he fell down and you think he'll get up, you can't go to him. He'll catch you.
Yes.
Right? He
Yes.
will, whatever
And I'll be
anger.
the first guy I get
Yeah,
beat.
all the anger will come out on you.
Yes.
Because he fell down.
That will be the
Right,
first
thank
problem.
God. Seriously, man. Yeah, thank God you guys didn't get caught. He would have
Yeah.
belted you guys with that broken hand. He would have
Dude.
used that hand to beat. To remove that. Yeah.
Dude, his hands were really strong also.
Yeah.
Because
From beating kids.
Yes. he used to beat kids.
Mhm.
Because this is that time, no, where it was
Why are you
allowed.
making this up to feel good?
No. He won't beat like crazy.
I think he might
but
be
he's
the-
just slap.
I think he is the nicest teacher in your school. And you're just making it up so that, guys, we didn't help a bad person, all right?
Okay, let me make this clear.
Yeah.
Every teacher beat kids. In
That
my
is
school,
true. That
every
is
teacher
true.
beats kids.
Yeah.
Then nobody stopped.
Yeah.
PT teacher was the harshest.
Huh.
Everybody else had a different scenarios.
Yeah.
But PT teacher, when he beats, bro, he beats you like a friend.
Oh.
He doesn't beat you like a teacher.
It's alright, we can't remove this.
Whatever, there are so
the
many
kids have
kids.
ruined this episode
Annoying.
for us. But yeah, let's finish it.
Everybody's so excited
You
to
saw
see
that
all
guy
this.
who sat
Yeah,
in
he's
front of the
sitting there.
camera and just
Yeah.
don't look at him, and he was just staring into the phone when it was recording.
Yeah.
So weird, no?
Yeah,
It's like
people
some
have.
intimidation tactic that was.
You thought that? That's
Yeah,
why I
yeah,
didn't
yeah.
even look at him.
Yeah, because he's like, yeah, this is my area, right? So
Yeah.
same, I didn't look at, dude, just go about your day,
Yeah.
dude. Like, what are you doing in a children's park alone? Like, we same question can be asked to us, but we are recording, right?
Yes, we are not alone.
Yes.
We are looking at each other.
Bro, I'm gonna look up, dude. Can't look at you now. Made it weird, dude.
You brought it up. I had to clarify.
Yeah. Is now this thing is like a lot of people are joking about it.
Yeah.
Like being sentimental. Like normal people are using gay these days.
Yeah.
I've noticed.
This Gen X is
Yeah.
the main.
Gen
so
X?
The
What?
next generation after Gen Z.
Huh?
So what they are doing is they are behaving like the oldest generation.
Boomers.
Like boomers.
Before boomers.
So they are just blunt.
Hmm.
So our boomers were like blunt. Millennials were a little bit okay.
Huh.
Gen Zs are like too much okay.
Too woke.
Yeah, too woke.
Yeah.
Gen X is going back to the boomer.
Circle has repeated.
Yes. Yes.
Ah.
So they are behaving like we'll say whatever is truth. If you don't like it, don't ask questions.
Yeah.
So they have that attitude which
So Gen X is basically what? Born after 2005-6.
2010 I guess.
2010?
After 2010. So that is Gen X. I guess I don't know, dude. I don't know how they segregate this.
No, bro, because wait,
Wait,
millennials?
2000 is Gen Z, right?
No.
1990 is Gen Z.
1995 plus is Gen Z.
Then
something like that.
2005.
I guess because
It's all 10-year gap, bro.
no, bro, 90s kid are millennials.
85 to 95.
No, I guess more than that.
So all 90s kids are millennials.
I don't know, man. This
We don't know.
nomenclature is
Comments, guy.
so
Just
confusing.
Tell us in the comments what it
And
is.
does
We
anybody
actually-
use this Gen Z or like I
I don't know, man.
I just look at my dude. If you're 25 and below, you're dumb. Just don't talk to me. Like
yeah,
that's
you mean nothing to me.
that's my attitude. I've become an uncle, man. That's what in shows also. If a joke doesn't work, I ask like, how old are you? Right? If they say 30, I feel bad. I'm like, I have to rectify my joke.
You have to write. I have to
If they
rewrite
say
this.
22, I'm like, you are dumb, bro. My joke is funny.
Yeah, man. We need more 30-year-olds so that we can
Yes.
rewrite it.
Yes.
This is-
Yeah. Well, there's some lot of 25 mature kids are also there. I've noticed.
Mhm.
Yeah. Not more mature than how I was in 25. That I have noticed. Bro, lot of
Yeah, that is true.
yeah.
Right? Like, my cousins only, if
Yeah.
I think about it, They're like 17, 18.
Huh.
They're so mature
Huh.
about certain things.
Yeah. Huh.
I didn't even know these things that
Correct.
time. I didn't
Internet,
even know.
bro.
Yeah, internet.
Internet.
I think at 17, 16, I was like these kids, bro, just running around,
Yeah,
playing,
I at 22 I was like this, bro.
goofing around.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
Man, this is so we in 9th standard we went to Manali
Ah.
for a school trip.
Mm.
School trekking trip. That this is when you know that government pays for your expenses and you pay certain percentage.
Mm.
In KVs that's the thing.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
So we reached Delhi and we are in a KV sleeping.
Mm.
And next day is our bus to Manali.
Mm.
So at night we are sleeping. Of course, 40 kids, bro.
Mm.
9th and 11th standard.
Mm.
Right? 20 kids or 25 kids from 9th standard and rest 11th standard.
Mm.
We are all sleeping in one hall. Teacher is sleeping in our room. Physics, there are two teachers.
Okay.
One physics teacher in our room,
Yeah.
the other one, some guy, dude, unnecessarily.
Uh,
Everybody is sleeping.
uh,
He just woke up, threw the pillow at the teacher,
okay.
and just left off. And one other
Then?
kid. So the teacher stood up like Undertaker, bro. He stood up and he's just scanning the room. One kid randomly scratching. He stood up, looking around. The teacher saw him. You come here, and so everybody's sleeping with mattresses.
Hmm.
Right? He doesn't even walk. Like he walks like this on 4. Like, what do you call
He's
it?
crawling.
He's crawling. And the teacher took him, dragged him and beat him. In front of all of us, beat him.
Oh, that guy randomly got beaten up.
Randomly, and he's
Damn.
like, he's shouting, it's not me, it's that guy. There's one guy who used to call him Kawa. He's like, sir, wo Kawa hai, man. And he's like, swearing.
Okay, one guy. Why did you call him Kawa?
Why?
I need some story.
I think his voice was like that.
Okay.
Pinching.
Not dark, right?
No, not dark. So, sir, wo
He used to call a guy Kawa because he was
dark.
dark.
That is also
That
true.
is so
yeah,
bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he got belted,
Hmm.
and then the teacher, you know what he did? He just stood up. He announced, anyone else I see their eyes are open,
Hmm.
I'll punish them.
Okay.
Right? We
Yes.
are all sleeping.
Uh,
Sleeping. Dude, it's quiet.
uh,
Right? It's a cave, big cave. This is Delhi. It is like proper Delhi.
hmm. Okay.
Like the I forgot, like central old Delhi, huge cave. I've never seen a school that big
Oh,
in my
really?
life. Our school was big, like 1500 students. This
Uh.
was at least
Uh.
4 times bigger than that.
Hmm. Okay.
And I'm just looking around. So one kid, another kid, dude, one idiot.
Hmm.
He just sleeping. He just woke up and looking around.
Hmm.
The teacher is silently watching.
Okay.
And again one commotion. The teacher is like, wow, what happened? He's like,
Why your eyes are open?
You know what he said? He's like, sir, मुझे कोई बुलाने जैसा लगा.
What is that excuse?
You don't know. He would have heard it, dude. Big cave, Wind is
Oh.
blowing.
Yes, yes.
This is
yes.
October, right? It's a little
Yeah.
cold also.
And some kids can hear ghosts also.
Ghosts also, dude. It's a big. You are
Yeah.
randomly. Sounds are coming from everywhere.
Yeah.
So this teacher is one of those teachers who's like, I'm telling his English and Hindi were bad.
Both are.
Both are bad. He's like, आपको इतना यलटनेस है. He's telling. आपको इतना यलटनेस है.
Malayali, huh?
No, he was from Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh.
आपको इतना यलटनेस है. He made him stand, bro. You keep सबका सामान. You keep an eye
Yeah.
whole night.
Oh my god, watchman. He
Yeah,
became
he made him
watchman.
the watchman for 1 hour. He stood there, bro.
Damn.
And then I fell asleep. I don't know when he slept. It's so funny, dude. And the thing is, imagine 40 kids in a room sleeping. You will laugh, bro.
Yeah.
When
yeah.
when the
yeah.
teacher beats somebody, everybody like people are trying to make each other laugh, dude. So hard to control the laughter.
Dude,
that day.
if you sleep in a group, it's so tough.
Yeah.
Anything, dude. I remember when we used to go to play football or cricket,
Yeah.
our whole team will go, right?
Yeah.
With substitutes,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
it's like 16 people,
Yes.
and we all sleep in one classroom,
Yeah.
no tables, mattresses are the same.
Huh.
We're sleeping. Dude, one guy farted at night, right? Dude, if you hear that, how can you stop, bro? Dude, Dude, you
My
just
God.
heard about the fart, you're laughing. If you
Yeah,
hear the
yeah,
fart really,
Oh, I thought you guys just smelled it. He is loud, out loud.
out loud. So the noise is. So smell is the bad part. You don't
Yeah.
laugh at that.
Yeah.
You are
Not funny at
annoyed.
all. Yeah.
You want to kill that guy.
Yeah, definitely.
But if
no more air from him ever.
yes, yes, you are not allowed to exhale.
Nothing. Your body. No
Will-
in or out of
Yes.
air.
We'll bring that cork, that wine bottle cork, and fucking put it.
In his ass also.
Yeah,
Butt plug.
but
Alright.
butt cork.
Bro, butt plug, bro. People who fart, they should use butt plug, bro.
Yeah,
Why
every
is
day.
that a sexual thing, dude?
Yeah,
Butt plug should be given
yes,
to
yeah.
fucking
You know what?
people with gas.
Yes.
If you
Have
go
a-
to
have a
buy a
butt
butt plug, the guy will ask you sex or gas.
Which version do you want? Like in cars, they have no.
Yeah.
There's the S version, V version.
Huh.
S is I think diesel, V is petrol.
Huh.
So like S is sex, V is
Dude, how about you give a butt plug, right? With
Mm.
aroma. The fart comes out better.
yeah, like a filter, right?
Like a filter.
Like you have that filter in the kitchen tap. You can
Yes.
change the
yeah,
speed,
yeah,
right?
yeah. Or
Yeah.
just make the underwear like that. Like whatever gas comes out, it smells nice.
Dude, that's actually genius.
That's a good idea.
I'm
no?
thinking why people are not thinking this. That's
Like,
so genius.
Underwear, just put one layer of something in the underwear.
Yeah, one thick layer, put it.
Yeah, maybe you can use it only once. But it's alright, like a diaper, you know?
Then you wash it and it goes.
Huh?
It's just smell. You don't
You know what?
shit on
They
shit in
should
it.
have like 2 layers like this where you insert one
Mm.
perfume material into it
Yeah.
and remove it, throw it, and then wash it and then put the new one.
Yes.
With the underwear, you give them 30 pack or whatever. How much are you farting?
You're basically talking about pads.
like
Yeah,
pads.
yeah.
Yeah.
But why do you want to remove it? Just wash it. It's just gas. It's not liquid.
No, I'm saying
Not
if
solid.
you wash the underwear, then the thing that smells nice, that will also get washed away, right? So you need to change the filter.
Fluid. Yeah.
like
yeah.
a filter you put
like a
it.
refill.
Like a oil paper, bro. So
Maybe something which can be used once. Okay.
I think that's a good idea, dude. I don't know if you guys
Or-
agree, but
Or
it's a-
just give make an underwear with a thick fucking sponge kind of thing,
Huh?
which pads have,
Huh?
right?
Huh?
And you put perfume and wear it.
The problem is that you don't know how that will affect, because I have put perfume this side, it fucking burns, bro. It burns.
Put it from outside.
Dude, it burns, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
I have never done this. so I don't
Once
know.
I've tried it.
Yeah. You tried this.
Yeah, man. I just tried it. It was my first date ever, bro. I just only
So you had to do it.
yeah, I just came home and I only saw it. There was no one else, bro.
That was all for you
That was all
and your hand.
yeah.
Damn. But that makes so much sense. Why there is no filter kind of butt plug?
Yes.
That is so.
You have to solve the gas problem in the world, bro.
Yeah,
because it's a
man.
universal problem. It's a $1 trillion industry, because you're not only solving
yes.
India's problem, you're solving the world's
This
problem.
is the world problem.
Yeah.
Let's start working on this.
Yeah,
bro.
I think more with Indian food, our problem is like little higher, I guess. I don't
We have different kind of flavors.
yeah, all flavors.
Like white people farts smell like salt and pepper mostly.
Possible.
Ours is garam masala,
Garam masala, bro. Whatever that
mutton
is.
masala.
Yeah.
So this kid farts and dude, you can't stop, bro.
Huh.
And there's a noise.
Okay.
Dude,
So you guys are sleeping in a room.
you will laugh like crazy.
Huh.
We laughed, and so teachers have been given a separate room, but it is the next room.
Huh.
So we laughed so hard. This teacher came in. We're like, why are you making noise? You have not slept here. Tomorrow they are thinking we didn't sleep. We woke up, bro. We woke up by that. And when the
Who
teacher is
farted though? You guys know?
so first of all, we were like, who farted? Who farted? We were laughing first of all.
Yeah.
And then like, who did this? So everybody's just pointing at each other.
Yeah. Nobody's
Right?
accepting that.
And
bro.
some guy is just sitting like this, right? Bro, it's you, bro. It's you.
Overacting.
Overacting.
Yeah.
Like, it's you, bro.
Yeah.
Then we were starting, so we just started to beat him up, like fake beat,
Yeah.
not like properly. And that time teacher came in. They're like, you guys are doing this. You're not serious about the match. Blah blah
so
blah.
who is this teacher?
This is, I think this was our.
PT,
PT
teacher
teacher?
or a coach?
No. PT teacher, coach. Wait a minute. We didn't even have a coach, bro. Our PT teacher was there.
Yeah. No, schools.
We didn't have coach.
This is football or cricket or badminton?
Cricket. This is cricket.
16
16 kids sleeping in one room.
One room.
This is when we were in, I think, 11th standard, I
Huh.
guess. PT teacher was there and one more teacher was there. I think computer science teacher was there
Huh.
and one more teacher. 3 teachers came with
Huh.
us. And they were aggressive. But yeah, it's good that they didn't beat us. They
Yeah.
just shouted at us and then. But,
But
yeah,
did you guys win anything in that trip?
bronze we won.
Bronze. 4 teams participated. How many teams participated? Tell me that one.
This was regionals, bro.
Regionals. Okay.
So there were, I guess, 22 teams.
2022 teams. Huh, that's not bad.
Uh,
Did you guys get that cup trophy?
we got a medal and a small trophy. I don't remember the trophy, but medal I still have.
Damn.
Hmm.
Only medal you won, huh? That's in sports.
No, bro. don't say it like this, bro.
I have no medals in sports, bro. So I can make fun of you. I have no medals, nothing.
I have few medals.
I have gone for once in 10th standard. We've gone for maths Olympiad to another school, right? And dude, it's like, I don't know, these days maybe my parents were like, they're invested in my school. That's it. There were a lot of other things they have to take care of. The Olympiad and all is not a main thing. So I had no idea also what is Olympiad.
Yeah.
So I just studied my 9th textbook and I went, dude, it's like, I'm like, yo, which chapter was this, dude? I had no idea. No idea that Olympiad, like, you get like different questions.
Yeah, it's a national level, no? It's like different
Yeah.
level of questions.
Dude, like this, you know that circles comes in, find the next one. What will be the next one? Like they'll give you 4 shapes.
That is,
Find the 4th one. I'm like, this is like, I felt like, is it like a tribal question? Like this is, I thought words will be there.
Why are there shapes?
Yeah, that was like
it
an
was,
epic bomb, bro.
What is that? It is called some aptitude test, right?
Aptitude. It was like
Yeah,
an aptitude
it was
test.
like
yes.
an aptitude. I
Yeah.
have also given math Olympiad. Oh
So
man,
bad, bro.
It was actually, for me it was really fun
Huh.
because I was like, wow, there are no numbers.
Yeah.
And I was very like, I think a 4th standard, 5th standard. So that time, though, you don't even take seriously.
Yes.
I didn't do anything.
Yeah.
Anything related to where something I can get money. I didn't do scholarship.
Yeah,
nothing.
yeah.
I remember. I think when I was in 11th standard or 12th standard, I gave one physics Olympiad, and no results came out, bro. So you have to go somewhere, right?
Yeah.
And the results used to come to the school,
Huh.
and the school will tell you, right?
Yeah. The school will like, do you want us to get the results, bro?
There was no result, so I went and asked, like, what happened? How much did I score? Did I
Yeah,
get
yeah,
something?
yeah.
They're like, no results have been here.
Yeah.
And when that happens, which means you didn't score well.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Do you think we'll fucking spend money on post
Yes.
stamp and post office go to say that you have not been qualified?
After a
Yeah.
long time, a participation certificate came, bro. It's like they told me, yeah, you were here.
Did you go and like send them a letter? Guys, where is my result? They're like, bro, give him a participation trophy, dude. This guy will stop bothering us.
Not even trophy, on paper. If it was trophy, I would have said I came third.
Oh my god,
It was just a paper.
man. How was your weekend, bro?
Weekend was fine. Just
Hmm.
did shows. Ran around, saw one naked guy on the road.
Man.
What else is there to do, bro?
I've not told you this, but like this is like last week.
You can say it happened this week. Nobody cares.
No, dude, because it took me a while to like. I was doing that mic at Indranagar
Mm.
weekday. I shouldn't have gone. I thought like maybe let's try it.
Mm.
I went there. There are 3 people.
Hmm.
It started raining heavy, so heavy rain,
Hmm.
right? Insane.
Hmm.
Remember that day where
Yeah, I know, I
you
know.
were stuck at Cleodopia?
Yeah.
I'm performing, dude. 3 people. You just tell them there is no show. These guys want to have a show also. There's
Mm.
no one else coming.
These guys have no shame, man. I don't understand.
Yeah, whatever it is, man. I went up. I'm like, you know what? Let's just get this over with.
Mm.
I go up. I'm performing. The thing is, 3 people sometimes in a small room it's good, or in a big room also. It's a big room.
Mm.
If they are into it, they'll enjoy. They are not into it.
Mm.
And one lady is like, she's drunk also. It's like the worst combination, and she's looking at me like this, right? I'm like, ma'am, are you all right? She's like, this is what she said. She said,
Drunk and interested is better, actually.
yeah, she's
Drunk
looking
and
at
not
me
interested.
like this, right? I'm like, ma'am, are you fine? Right? This is what she said. She's like, your voice is soothing. I'm falling asleep.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. She basically said you should be a poet, bro. She like, why are you doing comedy? She is like, sign up for
Oh,
Headspace.
yeah, she didn't even say that actually. What she said is, your voice is putting me to sleep. All right.
Oh,
That's
okay,
what
okay. That
she
is
said.
different. That
She
is
said
different.
your voice is putting me to sleep, and then I'm like, I started laughing. I'm like, all right, the comics in the back were started laughing.
Mm.
I'm like, no, I don't mean it in a bad way. I'm like, your voice is very soothing. I'm like, yeah, it doesn't make it better, but thank you.
Ah.
Man.
You should sign up for that Headspace thing, bro.
No, man. Nobody has
I
ever
know.
said that my voice is soothing.
Now
You
I
know-
think about it.
No, there is nothing soothing about my voice.
Your voice is so soothing, bro.
Boring. If you say that's what she meant. Your comedy is boring. It's putting me to sleep.
It was the alcohol for sure, bro. She was too drunk, I guess.
She was not drunk. She was not even slurring, but she was drunk.
Mm.
Like the first stage of drunk. Not extremely drunk. But yeah, she shouldn't have said that. Your voice is putting me to sleep. It was like
How
hard.
was yesterday's show, though?
Yes, at Reset.
Yes.
Not loud laughers,
Huh.
but good audience.
So what happened yesterday is
Huh.
I didn't even know there is a second row. That's how I performed.
Oh.
That's how the reaction I was getting.
Huh.
First row is laughing and
Yeah,
enjoying. I'm
yeah.
like, oh. Second row is dead. I'm getting 0. How was it for you?
Both, they had one, they would reach one high and then they will come down to this point. I think because I went up early,
Hmm.
so maybe it was better because I went little hard because I'm like, I'll get these guys. And at one
Mm.
point I got them
Hmm.
because when I said that's been my time, I got a huge applause. So I'm like,
Ah.
all right, okay.
Okay.
Where it's not like the guy has not, the way the comic before me called me on, it's just, dude, I midway through it and I'm like, man, this f***ing so bad, right? I've not even reached half, they've stopped clapping. So when I
Ah.
called on Anand, they clapped huge applause. I'm like, alright, so these guys had fun. So
Hmm.
that was my takeaway.
Okay. Clapping and all they did at the end.
Yeah.
But second row was dead for me.
Mm.
Anand also was saying the second row was not giving much.
I
Hmm.
didn't, maybe I roasted some guys in the second row.
I also roasted.
Yeah.
First of all, I had to do this to see if there is some people.
Okay,
there.
I could see the second row though.
I couldn't see.
Mm.
I couldn't see at all. I was
Yeah,
blinded.
definitely not high energy audience. But I'm like, alright,
Yeah.
you can't have a clapping audience every day.
Every day you can't have
Yeah,
this.
but the way they were reacting to the jokes, I'm like, this is not a bad audience. They just want f***ing bangers, dude.
No. Actually, the way people were laughing, right?
Yeah.
They were not loud laughers.
Yes.
They were enjoying. So like while I was doing jokes, this guy was like falling on the next guy.
Yeah,
like this.
yeah.
But I can't hear.
Yes. You know why that is? Because some people sometimes they feel that they'll get the judgment for laughing out loud.
That is also there.
Yeah.
One time I remember I was doing a spot somewhere. I don't remember where.
Yeah.
I did a joke. Some people laughed, and one lady laughed loudly and covered her
Yes.
mouth.
Yes.
And I was like, "You can laugh. It's not a
Yeah,
problem. It's not a problem." And she's like, "I thought I'll disturb you." I'm like, "What? I want that disturbance, bro."
I'll tell you what the problem is. Like after Reset, I went to Wire Up.
Hmm.
There's one. Apparently, he's Krishna's friend, bro. He's like a 40-year-old guy, bald like Krishna, like
Father, bro.
no, not father. Apparently, he has taken a liking to Krishna. That's what I heard, right? Hear me
Don't
out.
say it like that, bro.
No, hear me out. This guy was he's up front. He's sitting
Hmm.
right, and when I got on stage, he got a call, so he left.
Hmm.
Great.
Hmm.
He came back. His laugh ruined it, bro. In the setup, he would like ha ha ha, ha, and everybody's looking at him. And it's not even small, huge.
Huge guy, huh?
Yeah, huge, not huge guy. His laugh,
His
was
laugh
huge.
is huge.
Yeah,
Okay.
and he would just ruin the room. And thankfully, only 2 minutes. I'm like, sir, are you not sure you want another call to attend? You can. I was like trying to get him out of the room.
Some people are just bad, man. They
Yeah.
want so much attention.
Yeah.
Unnecessary. They'll laugh loudly. They'll just start hitting each other.
So this guy apparently, I was telling Arun, bro, this guy is a repeat because this is the second time I'm seeing him. So imagine how many times he would have come to Wire Up. And they're telling him, bro, we can't do anything. This guy he used to come with alcohol, then we banned alcohol. I'm like, no alcohol here. He's like, last time you allowed. It's like, no, we don't allow. I'll refund your money. He's like, no, I won't drink. So he's one of those lonely guys. So I told them, okay, let him be lonely. Let Krishna finish his spot and let both of them go somewhere and like have chill somewhere. He's like ruining the show for everyone.
Yeah, Saturday night I was hosting UGC late night.
Huh.
There's one guy in front of front row.
Yeah.
One guy sitting on the right side.
Yeah.
He's the comment section of Instagram, bro. You take a pause for the punchline, he'll say something.
Yeah, and also those generic things he would have been saying.
Yeah, something rhyming, something ye atak gaya, wo gir gaya. Something he's saying. 2-3 times I avoided.
Yeah.
And then I saw this guy who's sitting next to him. He just be like that. He said, stop it. He's just saying, stop it.
Yeah.
But he's not listening. So I was in the middle of that bit about Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk bit. And he said something. And then I just said a line where I made him look like he was being creeped to his sister.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
There's a line that comes, you know that line, right? I say that. Dude, after that, he sat so straight. He didn't move. He is just like...
Yeah.
He just calmed down.
That is the problem. I don't know, man. People want to have... They find fun like this, but a comedy show is not like that.
Yeah.
A comedy show is like you have fun at the jokes. I mean, you might not enjoy everybody, but that's the risk you took when you bought the ticket.
Correct.
Yeah.
It's a risk. It's an adventure sport.
Yeah, it is a risky thing. I
Yeah.
mean, yeah, just or check out the lineup and go, or just have like there are like 5-7 comics in the lineup. For sure, you'll enjoy some of them.
Yes.
Yeah.
Don't try to talk to somebody unless he
Heckling
wants to
is
talk
a
to...
big problem though, because in Delhi that's what they do, right? All these
Yeah.
crowd work videos. So people think that
that is comedy, they think.
the heckler is giving them content.
Yeah.
It's the lowest form of comedy, crowd work is, but
Yes.
sometimes it is necessary to start a show.
Yes.
That's all it is.
It's a good skill to have,
Yeah,
but
it's
don't
not
use
good.
it.
It's a
useless.
bad. It's not good. Crowd work is not. It's like what are you doing? You just
Wasting
because you
time.
say it on the spot doesn't make it funny,
Yes.
right? It's
Every comic can do that.
actually most comics can do
Most comics can do
it.
that.
You need confidence and
Yeah.
just
And be blunt.
yeah,
That
that's
works.
all- that's all. You
In
need for
India, you
crowd
don't
work.
have to be smart also.
Yeah.
That's how the audience is.
Yes.
Yeah.
Cool guys, thank you so much for joining us. We'll come back to the park next time, bro. 2:00.
Yeah.
bad
This
timing.
time is so
Bad
bad.
timing.
Family, kids.
Sorry guys, we a lot of
much noise.
distractions. Very tough time to record.
Yeah.
There are at least 80 kids in this park right now.
Yeah, with their mothers.
Yes. I was about to say some aunties also, but it's like
Yeah,
we
it's
have to
just
leave.
annoying.
People are looking at us. I think
People are actually coming and looking at us. That's so
Yeah,
weird. Like
yeah,
they have
yeah.
never seen two people talk.
Yes. I mean, but yeah, we are doing things that is noticeable, bro.
Yeah,
very
yeah.
noticeable. Thank you guys for joining in. Please
Just-
like, share, subscribe. Again, I'm saying this. Somnath Padi, Jyotin Patro. Follow
Yeah.
us on Instagram. Follow our individual handles. Follow Bombay Mentality Podcast as well. Thank you so much.
And send some hate comments.
Please do,
please.
guys. Hate comments is welcome. Please be blunt to us, guys.
Yes. Be
Please
blunt.
Don't be very blunt. Little bit blunt. All right.
Yeah.
Don't hurt us. But all right, guys. Chalo,
Chalo,
bye.
bye. Bye, guys.